When it comes to IT asset management, how does Snipe-IT track millions of devices reliably? Because tracking hardware on standard spreadsheets guarantees broken formulas, outdated records, and lost equipment. Take a concrete example. Your IT team needs to deploy 100 new iPhone 12s to remote employees. Instead of an isolated spreadsheet row, Snipe-IT uses a robust relational database. Each iPhone links directly to a specific user, their department, and a live maintenance history. Usually, getting this level of tracking forces you into expensive, closed-off proprietary software subscriptions. But Snipe-IT's architecture is fully transparent and open for anyone to inspect. This total transparency means your company is never trapped by rising licensing fees or restricted data access. By installing it on your own internal servers, the entire platform is completely free forever. And it includes a built-in communication channel that lets your other internal software automatically update the inventory, a feature known as a REST API. This self-hosted environment protects your data with baked-in security, wrapping the system in two-factor authentication and encryption. So what exactly happens to those 100 new iPhones we needed to deploy at the very beginning? They are all securely tracked, updated automatically, and managed on your own servers, without costing a dime in software fees.